10 unique frog species that showcase nature's most fascinating adaptations. Frogs are some of the most fascinating and adaptable animals on the planet. With over 5,000 known species and more still being discovered, they come in almost every size, color, and behavior imaginable. Some hide in leaf litter, others live high in the trees, and a few even carry powerful toxins as a natural defense. Their unique adaptations help them survive in environments ranging from rainforests to deserts. But despite their resilience, many frog species are now facing serious challenges. Habitat loss, changing climate patterns, pollution, and emerging diseases are putting pressure on their populations. Exploring frog diversity, survival skills, and their decline. Diane's bare-hearted glass frog. One of the most visually striking discoveries of recent years, Diane's bare-hearted glass frog, Hyalinobatrium diane, was identified in Costa Rica in 2015. Like other glass frogs, its skin is partially translucent, revealing the internal organs beneath. This inch-long, nocturnal species lives in humid foothill forests and feeds on small insects. The discovery of this frog was considered a positive indicator of forest health in the region, despite the global pressures of deforestation. Pedophrine amelwensis frog. Measuring just 0.3 inches, the Pedophrine amelwensis from Papua New Guinea is not only the smallest frog, but the smallest known vertebrate on the planet. Discovered in 2009, this tiny species was identified by its high-pitched call. Instead of going through a tadpole phase, it hatches directly into a miniature adult, an adaptation suited to its leaf litter habitat. Desert rain frog. Known for its comically squeaky call, the desert rain frog Breviceps macrops is found only in a narrow coastal strip that spans the border between Namibia and South Africa. Nocturnal and burrowing, it survives by absorbing moisture from coastal fog through a specialized patch on its belly. Unfortunately, urban development and diamond mining threaten its fragile habitat, placing the species at growing risk. Ornate horned frog. The ornate horned frog, Ceratophrys ornata, often called the Pac-Man frog, is famous for its enormous mouth and voracious appetite. Found in Argentina, this 6-inch predator ambushes lizards, rodents, and even other frogs. Its mottled red and green skin provides superb camouflage on the forest floor, helping it blend into the dense leaf litter where it hides. These frogs are also known for their impressive jumping ability and strong bite, making them highly effective ambush predators despite their relatively small size. Hairy frog, wolverine frog. The hairy frog, also known as the wolverine frog, might be the most startling frog on Earth. Also known as the wolverine frog, it can break its own toe bones to create claws that pierce through its skin when threatened, a defense mechanism found in no other animal. Males also develop hair-like skin structures, or dermal papillae, that help increase oxygen absorption while guarding eggs underwater. This fascinating species is native to Cameroon in West Central Africa. The Vietnamese mossy frog, Pheloderma corticale, is a master of disguise. With green and black coloring, bumpy skin, and spines resembling moss, it looks exactly like a piece of wet forest floor. Found in northern Vietnam, it lives in caves and streams and avoids predators by curling up into a ball and playing dead. Its incredible camouflage makes it a favorite among amphibian researchers. Golden poison dart frog. Small but deadly, the golden poison dart frog, Philobates terribilis, is one of the most toxic animals on Earth. A single frog carries enough toxin to kill 10 adult humans. The origin of this toxicity is believed to be its natural diet, as frogs raised in captivity are not poisonous. Indigenous Embara people have used their venom for centuries to coat blow-wind darts. This species thrives in Colombia's rainforests, but faces growing threats from deforestation. Wallace's flying frog. The Wallace's flying frog, or Rhacophorus nagropalmatus, glides from tree to tree using its long toes and extensive foot webbing, which act like natural parachutes. It can glide up to 15 meters to escape predators or move between branches. Found in Malaysia and Borneo, this species spends almost all its life in the treetops, descending only to breed and lay eggs above water pools. Venezuela pebble toad. The Venezuela pebble toad, Oreophrynella nigra, has one of the most unique escape strategies in the animal kingdom. When threatened, often by tarantulas, it curls into a ball and tumbles down steep, rocky slopes. Its lightweight body allows it to bounce to safety without injury. This species lives high in the Guyana highlands, on isolated mountain plateaus, many of which face environmental pressures. Suriname toad. The Suriname toad, or pipa pipa, is known for its flattened, leaf-like appearance and extraordinary reproductive system. Instead of laying eggs in water, the female carries them embedded in honeycomb-like pockets in her back. The young develop fully under her skin and emerge as fully formed miniature toads rather than tadpoles. Native to rivers and flooded forests in South America, the Suriname toad is a prime example of amphibian evolution at its most unusual.